In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to delete all data from HP laptop, ensuring that your sensitive information remains safe. Part 1. How to delete all data from HP laptop via Coolmuster Data Erasure. If you want to completely and irreversibly delete all data from your HP laptop, Coolmuster Data Erasure is a highly reliable professional tool. It supports various international data erasure standards, such as DOD 5.20.22m and the Gutmann algorithm, ensuring that the deleted data cannot be recovered by any data recovery software. Step 1. Download and open the tool on your Windows PC. From the main interface, choose the Drive Wiper mode. It will automatically list all your local disks and drives on the computer. Simply select one. Step 2. Choose the Deep Erase level, then click Erase Now OK. The software will begin wiping your data. Once the process is complete, click Home and select another disk to erase. After wiping all disks and partitions, your data will be permanently deleted. Part 2. How to factory reset HP laptop using settings. The Reset This PC feature built into Windows 10 11 is another convenient way to clear all data from your HP laptop. It helps restore your device to its factory settings and removes most files. Step 1. Open the Settings menu on your HP laptop. Navigate to Update and Security and then select the Recovery option. Next, click Get Started under the Reset This PC section. Step 2. You will be presented with two choices: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. To completely erase all data, select Remove Everything. This will delete all personal files, apps, and settings from your laptop. Step 3. Once you choose Remove Everything, you might be asked if you want to clean the drives as well. For a more thorough wipe, select Remove Files and clean the drive to ensure all data is securely deleted. Part 3. How to delete everything on HP laptop from the Startup menu. Windows also allows you to perform a factory reset directly from the Startup menu. Step 1. Disconnect all cables and external devices from your HP laptop. Make sure the laptop is completely powered off. Step 2. Power on your HP laptop and repeatedly press the F11 key to enter the recovery environment. Step 3. In the Choose an Option window, select Troubleshoot, then click on Reset This PC. Step 4. Choose Remove Everything to erase all data from your HP laptop. Step 5. Click the Reset button to begin the reset process.